Hey everybody, so this is just a snippet of a larger video. If you want to check out the full video, just look for the Python functions. But this is just going to look at what is a function, just a broad, very basic overview, very short. So a function is just it's a block of reusable code, or at least that's the idea of a function. So if you're going to be reusing a block of code more than once, it's probably worth turning into a function. So if you want to read more about that, check out this article. It's a nice read. So an example of a basic function is this. So I want to talk about the format of a function. So the first thing you do is you put def, which is just short for define, and then you put the name of your function. Now this could be anything that you want, and then after that you put the parentheses, and then and some functions don't take arguments, but in this case we are passing an argument, and that is a, and then you end that first line with a colon, and then the next line needs to be indented, and then you put your block of code there. So in this case we're saying b equals a plus a, and then we return b. So if we run this code, we've now created our function. It's returned nothing because we haven't called our function. I want to show you the type real quick. So this type function returns the type of whatever the argument that you're passing into it. So if we pass in just add, and that's the name of our function, without the parentheses, so that we're not calling the function and getting its returned element, we're just gonna put the function name as the argument. If we run that, you can see it returns that. Okay, this add variable is a function, which is correct. We've defined that up here. Now, to actually call that function, you need to write the name of the function and then pass in, if required, the argument that is supposed to be in that function. So there's a variety of different argument types. So you can put in keyword arguments, list arguments. There's a lot of different kind, but in this case it's just one variable, 4, and we can put an integer or a string. So in this case we're going to put 4. It adds it together and returns 8. Now if we do a string, it does the same thing except for with the string, and then returns a concatenated string. So string. So anyways, that's a kind of a basic overview of a function and then actually calling a function. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out anytime. If you like the video, definitely like it, subscribe if you want to see more. Also, if you want the big or the whole Jupyter notebook, just check out the description below and then find the Python functions in the OneDrive link. There's a folder called Python functions. Just click on that and you can get the Jupyter notebook. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.